Hey y'all, I'm just out and about in the world looking at nature, and I saw this beauty right here. And I said I had to take a piece of it. I'll share it, I'll give it back, but I just love to enjoy nature and the world. It's just so much, it fills your heart so much. So I'm here to talk to you guys about Luv Jit, alright? My name's Roadkill, it is what it is. So, first of all, I'm going to go over the history of Luv Jit. It is love, right? Jit, in the middle, and then Sue at the end. So you got love, and y'all, love. Then there's Jit, which is ancient for I see you. And then there's Sue, which modern talk is really all about, like, I'm going to take your money with vengeance and I'm going to grab it, throw it to the dogs. But really, it's also ancient for, like, there you go. So folks, if you just, let's put it all together, will you? Love. I see you. There you go. Y'all, this is powerful stuff. This brings everyone together, and this makes life possible.
The world and its glory. Just think about it.
So my friend Little John here is going to come in here and give us a little example of what I'm talking about with Luv Jit. Come on in, Little John. He's real, oh, I should have told y'all, he hates flowers real bad. Little John, I know you, dang it, I know you hate flowers, y'all. So I know you're real fired up. I'm gonna put these right here, okay? Little John, don't growl. Don't you growl. So he's gonna come at me with something probably. What you gonna do, Little John?
Just don't do it. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Little John is feeling a little flutter in his heart right now. He's just, look at him exploring. That's because he's got love now in his heart. Where there was fear and hatred and anger, now it's all filled with the window love. He just loves life now. So I think me and Little John gonna head off, kind of just enjoy the river and nature real quick. And that's about it, y'all. I'll probably see y'all around, okay? You just keep it cool, keep it in your heart.
That's how you do it.